Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of hearing the same old business ideas? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll share 10 unique and creative home-based business ideas that you probably haven't considered yet. These ideas are easy to start, budget-friendly, and can help you turn your passion into profit. So, let's jump right into it. Number 10. Home bakery and food services. You can start a home bakery with an investment of around $100 to $500 for ingredients, baking tools, and packaging. This business can earn you $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your sales. Focus on specialty baked goods, like custom cakes, cupcakes, or dietary options like gluten-free or keto treats, and expand through social media or local delivery services. Number 9. Handmade candle or soap making. Starting a handmade candle or soap business requires $200 to $400 for molds, wax, fragrances, and packaging. This business can generate $500 to $500 monthly. You can create unique designs, cater to custom orders, and market them online via platforms like Etsy or Instagram, especially during festive seasons. Number 8. Personalized gifting business. You can start crafting personalized gifts like custom mugs, photo frames, or gift boxes with an investment of $100 to $300 for supplies and tools. This business has the potential to earn $300 to $500 per month, especially during festive seasons or wedding events. Social media is a great platform to showcase and sell your products. Number 7. Home gardening and plant sales. With an investment of $50 to $200 for seeds, pots, and soil, you can start a home gardening business that earns $200 to $800 monthly. Sell potted plants, herbs, or succulents, and offer gardening kits or tutorials. Use social media or local events to attract customers who love plants. Number 6. With an initial investment of $100 to $500 for a sewing machine and materials, you can offer clothing alterations, custom designs, or upcycling services from home. This business can earn you $300 to $200 per month, with wedding and festive seasons offering higher revenue opportunities. And that's it for today. 5 unique and creative home-based business ideas to get you started. Remember, this is just part 1, and we'll be back soon with part 2, packed with even more amazing ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel